Here we have a BMW X1, and what we're doing to it today is fitting an integrated camera, reverse camera. So let me just show you how it is at the moment. So you jump into the passenger seat. So that's the integrated system here. So if you have a look at that. So just start it up. So if you have a look at the screen, so when we put it into reverse, you get a picture of the parking sensors. So the idea is that when you put into reverse, you have a video image of what's behind you. So let me show you the tailgate. So what you have is the actual boot release button there. And we're going to replace that with a boot release button with an integrated camera that goes there. So it's all part of it as being one. Right, let me crack on with the installation. Right, the installation is all complete. Let me show you. If I show you the camera first, so if we come back here, so just for visually from the back, as you can see, he's quite discreet, and he does look very OEM. So you can have a better look at it. It's got electronic tailgates, a little bit more trickier. But there's the camera, which replaced the original boot handle, which I showed earlier on, which is out there. But this still works as a boot release, as you can see. Let me show you the actual screen itself. So if we jump into the passenger side, so as you can see, everything is still OEM. There isn't anything additional that's mounted to the dash of the car. So if we start it up, and if you bung into reverse, so what it's doing, you've got the video image of the actual camera, the optics of the parking sensors are still there, and the guidelines move with the steering wheel. Switch that off. So there you have it, a fully integrated reverse camera that all looks OEM on this BMW X1.